Okay, hello guys. Oh, don't do that. Today I will be reviewing this IBIS budget hotel room in Southampton. So it's going to be a very short video running through all the facilities and what's in the room and how bad and good it is, pricing, all that kind of stuff. So enjoy and I'll see you in the actual video. Okay, so when you first come in, you can lock your door. The toilet is here, it's in its own little room at the door. Lights. There's toilet paper, obviously, and these little hygiene bags, I guess, for like tampons and things if you want to chuck them out. This is the thermostat. It's very confusing. Basically, you just put the temperature up and down using this, and then we thought you'd have to press something. You just leave it, and then at some point it goes back to this, and that tells you the current temperature in the room. This button is for the fan. There you go, that's the fan starting. This button, I'm not quite sure what it's for, but okay. Now this is the weirdest bit for me, was when you come in, the shower is just here. It basically just comes out onto the room. And it's got like a see-through door. These are the light switches for it, so that turns on the shower light and this little sink light. And yeah, you can basically see through this door, so if you're planning on staying with someone you're not that comfortable with, maybe don't share a room. The shower is very big. You get the soap. Let me turn it on without splashing myself. There we go. It is very loud. It makes like a weird buzzing thing noise if you turn it on too much, but if you don't turn the water on too far, then it's alright. So anyway, yeah, that's the shower. Here is the little sink area. It's a sink, a little shelf underneath where you can store stuff. The bin, obviously they give you a spare bin bag. Shaver sockets, more soap, face wash, hair, everything. Sink is just a sink. You get this mirror here. This is for obviously hanging a towel. And you also get this main mirror. We're drying socks on. You get hooks, big mirror. Or another thing is, like most hotels, unless you put the towels on the floor in the shower, they don't swap them out for you, which is obviously environmentally way better. The bed was the best part for me of this hotel. It's very firm, which usually is not a thing in hotels. They're usually way too soft for me, and the blankets are usually way too thick. These are quite thin, perfect for me. You only get 2 pillows, but I'm sure you can ask for more down the reception. You get little bedside tables. It's actually annoying, you do not get plugs anywhere near the bed. There's only 2 plug sockets in the room over there, which is very annoying. The lights are quite cool. They're like tappy lights. This one is a bit broken. This turns on the main lights in the room. And then this one is quite neat. It's like this little light underneath there. Let's turn that off. There's not much storage, so I've actually been storing my stuff all under the bed. My boyfriend has his stuff here and some hanging up there. Here's a little desk area. You get a little stool. Again, only 2 plug sockets, which is very annoying. Kettle you have to ask for downstairs, and they also don't really give you free tea and coffee, so you have to bring your own. But they do give you these little paper cups. My boyfriend made himself a coffee in one of these, and the bottom exploded. It went everywhere. It was horrible. TV, pretty standard, fine TV. It works, however, not all of the channels work. Some of the channels is just black screen, but you can hear it. Turn off. Thank you. Not sure if that's a problem with the TV or I don't know, the hotel. The window obviously doesn't open completely, but it does open a fair bit. It lets a lot of air in. Obviously, it's a non-smoking room. It's quite a big window. I'd be careful about doing stuff like, I know, running around naked or whatever in this room, because when we were down there yesterday, I could actually see into this room. I could see the coats hanging over there, so you can see quite a lot from outside. Well, that's not right. So basically, the curtains done that just now, so I'm going to pause the video and sort that out. Okay, guys, I'm a genius. I fixed it. It works now. And that's about it. You obviously get a few coat hangers. Again, storage, not very good. I hate this. That's very ugly. Overall, it's a weird room. It's very small. Obviously, the shower situation, perfect for like couples like us, but a bit odd if you're staying with someone you may not want to see naked. That's about it. I'm gonna do a little ending thing and go through the facilities and that. Okay, hello, I'm back for the last bit. I just spent ages trying to set up my phone on this can of halal beef goulash. It didn't work. It's now on the windowsill. We're ready. I've got my trusty notebook with my doctor's handwriting, and let's go through all this stuff. So, the location of this hotel is very good. Everything in Southampton is pretty walkable. You don't really have to go more than 20 minutes to get to anything that you really want to see. And the hotel is in a great location. It's like in this retail park. You get food places right outside. 24 hours McDonald's right outside, which I don't recommend McDonald's, but if you're starving at like 3 a.m, then it's very close to the main city centre, all the parks, museums. It's very good for that. In terms of price, it's a budget hotel. It's cheap, but for the size of the room and the facilities, I don't think it's really worth it. I think there's Travelodges and Premier Inns and bed and breakfast here that you could probably get for a very similar price, if not cheaper, and get a lot more for it. Basically, my boyfriend's staying here for free because of work, and so am I. But if you were actually to pay for the time that we're staying here, which is Sunday to Friday, it would cost a little bit above £300, which for a hotel isn't a lot, but for me it's a lot. I will post a little screenshot here now with all the prices for the month. They vary month to month, obviously, but this is just the average. I think it's going to show like April and March. Check-in is very standard. It's 2 p.m. check-in, which is same as most hotels. Some do 3 p.m. Checkout is 12, which again is same as pretty much every other hotel. I wish it was a bit later, but oh well. Now, facilities, the parking here is quite expensive. It's £10 a night if you're staying here, and you get 20 minutes free, which is... The one good thing about this hotel is that you do get free Wi-Fi, and like places like Travelodge where you have to pay for it and pay a ridiculous amount. The breakfast is also cheaper than most other hotels. For like a full breakfast buffet, all you can eat is, I think, £5.25 or somewhere near £5, which is quite good. The drinks are £1.50. The people in the reception are actually really nice and let me have one drink for free because I'm staying here, so that was really nice. The address is West Quay Road, so again, very central, and it looks pretty much exactly like it should on the website. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe. I'm a very small channel and I don't make any money from this. I'm an aspiring filmmaker, so I would love some more subscriptions. Share this video. Hope it came in useful for anybody, and do share your experiences with this hotel or other IBIS budgets, or about your visit to Southampton in the comments below. That would be really cool. And yeah, that's that. Thank you. Bye. I just wanted to show you the room card. It's just got a man holding a ball in it. I find that kind of weird.